Hey guys, quick review and assembly guide on the Steelite DG500 Cordless lawnmower, and I'll be honest, this one surprised me a bit. Out of the box, assembly is super simple. You basically unfold the handle, tighten a couple knobs, and attach the grass bag if you're using it. No special tools needed. From there, just charge up the 20V to 21V battery. Takes about 1 to 2 hours. Pop it in, insert the safety key, set your cutting height, and you're ready to go. Now, performance-wise, this mower is clearly built for small to mid-sized yards. You're getting about 20 to 35 minutes of runtime, which is fine for up to roughly 1,300 square feet. What I like is how light it is, around 20 pounds, so pushing it feels effortless. The 13-inch deck also makes it really easy to maneuver around tight spaces. Downsides. The small cutting width means more passes, and the battery won't cut it for bigger lawns unless you grab a spare. Overall, for the price, it's actually solid. Just know exactly what yard size you're working with.